Here's the question. How do I permanently get rid of a Google Drive folder? I'm going to show you what to do in this video. Here's a folder I have right here. I'm in my Google Drive. I'm under burrisconsulting.com at gmail.com. Excuse me, burrisconsulting@gmail.com. And here's a folder, temp2. Now there's 3 files in there. So if I don't want to get rid of them, I'm going to have to grab them. I click on them one at a time, grab them. I'm either have to click, drag and drop and move them somewhere else. Or I use this icon right here and move and put them somewhere else so that they don't go to the trash. Now that would be careful you don't throw a folder away and accidentally throw files away. But if I leave them in there and I click on that folder right there and I right click on that folder, I can move to trash. Now, by the way, I can also go to My Drive. I can click on the folder right there, which if I double click, you can see it has those files in there. Hit the back arrow and go back. But if I click on that and I say delete, it moves that folder into the trash. Now, where do the files go? Now, if I go down to trash and click on it, you'll see there's the folder right there. Items in trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. Now, I can't see the files because they're in that folder. Now, they didn't show up anywhere else. They're not under My Drive. They would be collected together. They're not. They're not anywhere else except for in trash in this folder. But I can't see them because that folder is in the trash. If I double click, it says to view this folder, you need to restore it from the trash. Let me show you real quick. Restore. There it is there under My Drive. Temp2, double click, and there's the 3 images right there. So again, if I don't want to get rid of them, I got to move them. Now, how do we permanently get rid of them? Click on Temp2, right click and hit Move to Trash, or I can go up here to My Drive, click on Temp2 and hit the trash can. And they're gone. They're in the trash. Now, the word permanently, well, permanently will happen in 30 days for that folder and for the files in that folder. But if I don't want to wait, just click on it and hit the trash. Temp2 will be deleted forever and you won't be able to restore it. Gone, including the files that are in it. Hit delete forever and they're gone. That's the answer to the question. Click on the file, delete it, go to the trash can and click delete, remove, and delete permanently, or just wait 30 days and they'll go away. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.